And welcome to Cashflow First. That's the name of our channel. You notice here on my Zoom video, it says Cashflow Ben. The reason why is because I like to talk to you about cash flow. This is just a mindset video before we start the calls, but this is week 9 of our 1-year challenge to call and connect with motivated sellers. But before we do that, I wanted to talk to you about cash flow and about the purpose of making these phone calls and the purpose of this video and these videos and the purpose of the channel and the purpose of being here, pretty much hearing the mindset, we're going to talk about how to find cash flowing properties to help with retirement, to help increase our monthly income and our multiple diversified strategies to get deals and to get income every month. So I made a couple notes here, expecting to talk to you about this. But before we get into it, let me know what you're thinking about these calls that we're making. Let me know if there's anything I could do better. But and also don't forget to give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to